is a rare offering where true Bayfront luxury meets effortless, single-level living, completely remodeled and move-in ready. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath residence has been fully remodeled with a beautiful new kitchen, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and tastefully updated baths, all designed with a clean, modern aesthetic. A fireplace adds warmth and a focal point to the living space, creating the perfect balance of comfort and style. This stunner features a new kitchen with stainless steel appliances, luxury vinyl flooring, updated baths, and a gas fireplace. The defining feature is the expansive waterfront deck, an extension of the home that delivers a front row, unobstructed connection to the bay. The views are simply next level, stretching across the water to the downtown skyline, the Kona Kai, and all the way to Mexico. From sunrise to sunset, it's a constantly changing backdrop that never gets old. Situated at Kellogg Beach, plus Southwest and San Diego Yacht Clubs, this is one of Point Loma's most coveted waterfront settings. Quiet, scenic, and walkable, yet close to everything. The lifestyle here is effortless. Step outside to the sand, hop on your paddleboard, or walk to nearby dining and coffee. Additional highlights include 2 secured side-by-side underground parking spaces and dedicated storage, adding convenience to an already elevated living experience. Opportunities like this are extremely limited. True single-level bayfront properties with this level of finish, this scale of outdoor space, and these kinds of panoramic views rarely come to market. This is the best of Point Loma living, refined, relaxed, and completely dialed in. At La Playa is a very well-kept, secure complex in the best location imaginable. The bay, marinas, beach, and restaurants are all a stone's throw away. Bayfront living has never been better. Call me today to make this dream your reality.